stop the tractor for 2 seconds. Charlie's dog decides to take it upon himself to just hop in. Just chilling. Keeps looking at me like, hey man, why are we stopped? What's the situation? Go get your dog. Of course it's the deaf one, so I can't just yell at him. So, looks like me and Charles found somebody else to do the work for us. And we're just gonna rip a four-wheeler. Somebody might have been getting a little bit bored of sitting in the tractor all day. You gonna get this all finished up for me, buddy? Get it all handled? I think this is a perfect size. I think you should talk to Mom about getting one of these. I bet she'll go for it. Yeah, horn blows. You are too cute. Alright, dude. Get back to work. I think our little break is over. No? No? Okay. Alright, what's up guys? So, me and Charlie have called it a wrap for the day. Thought I might walk you around and show you what we've been doing. We got a little bit of video. I'm sure I'll attach it all here. But, it's a busy day. We got a lot going on. I had a buddy stop by, and then I had another guy here working with me. It was a busy day. We didn't get a lot of footage, but we certainly had fun. That old girl was a lifesaver. Shout out to Carl Matthews Equipment Rental over there in Bosquen for hooking me up with a sweet machine. It was a long day. We got a lot done. So, walk you around, show you what we did. Alright, so when I originally laid stone in my driveway, my first time laying 3/4, I laid it way too thick. It's hard to see in video, but this is, well, I guess you can tell the front of my house is, it's 1-story rise here. Pulling my truck up this hill, it would tear up the rocks every time because the rocks were just too thick. So I stripped some of this and laid it down way over yonder over there, and just not really a big deal. It took me like 10 minutes, but it was part of it. We got the Ford pulled over here, project truck, mega truck, whatever you want to call it right now. We got this sad looking thing pulled over here. We got to start working on it. We got the dually stripped today. That's what the other guy was doing here. He was stripping that dually for me. I'll show you the axles over there and stuff. That is actually engine, transmission, transfer case sitting in the shop. Got that out. And we got the Ford pulled over. So it's looking really sad. We're going to have to start working on that. That is on deck for project. Still got to pull that hood out of here. That was from the dually. The scrap trailer's at the bottom of the driveway, out of the way. Clean up that stuff tomorrow. Tomorrow's cleanup day. Today was tractor day. But up here, if y'all remember from some of the videos, there used to be like an embankment that come off of here. It was all overgrown. I had crap. Well, yeah, all this crap that, yeah, I got too much stuff. It was all overgrown and everything. We stripped it out. I hired somebody to come in this week. I am wicked allergic to poison sumac, so I hired somebody to come in and clean all that out for me. And then I stripped the embankment all the way around the shop, which is awesome. We got so much room now for four-wheelers and stuff, and the go-kart. I can bring the go-kart home and ride it now. I have room. These are the axles. I got these axles out of the dually today, which is awesome. I saved my drive shafts. Leaf springs are on there. Those are going to a friend. He needs them for his truck. Dakota, come get your plow. Anyways, see the back of the shop is way wider. I don't know how much video I really have of back here, if I have any pictures or anything, but the embankment used to come out like 5 feet or something like that. Like, I don't know, it's like it was like to here anyways, you know, because it was flat and then it would slope down, and then the poison sumac would grow out. So then like we're riding over on the side so it doesn't touch you. But that's all gone now. And in my backyard, holy moly, look at all this. We literally gained like, let me see, the propane tanks there. So like right here over, because this embankment was actually a little bit wider than the other sides. And then the sumac and the raspberry thorn bushes had grown out so far. We literally gained like 10 feet in the backyard here. I gotta have a bonfire. I got a bunch of mess. I moved my benches out of the way. But tomorrow I'm gonna be out here raking it all out. But this is awesome. I don't know how sweet it looks in video, and most of you probably have no idea that this was even a mess before. I'm sure I avoided it usually in my videos because I didn't want anybody to see it. But, you know, I literally gained like 10 feet. It was over halfway between the shop and that propane cap right there. It was over halfway out between the bushes and the embankment. So I gained all that. So that is sweet. Like I said, I got some raking to do. I still got, you know, a little bit of junk to clean up. This is motor, transmission, transfer case. We got out of the Ford today. We did that while we had the skid steer here so we could load the cab and frame on the trailer, which I'll show you in a minute. But right now, I'm going to show you all where all this dirt went. Tell you what, I want one of those. That thing is sweet. The tracks are the difference, because we have had skid steers here before and they're like miserable to run because of all of the sand around here. Ooh, Dissel. So over here, if you remember, this is where the Fords were parked. This was just a parking area here. This used to be a shed here when I bought the house. When we took it out, it was junk. But I brought it around and I'm in the process of connecting it back to the bottom of my driveway. So for right now, it's going to be a four-wheeler path. I'm going to, you know, slope this out and probably put a little more fill there. But eventually this is going to be another driveway that just loops. So we have one big loop of a driveway. There's that. This big old hole there. So we'll walk through the woods here. Oh, we'll go down this other trail. Y'all never see this trail because it's so sketchy. Oh. Get down here, maybe you can get an idea of how big this hill is. Not really. Everything looks so much less dramatic on camera, you know? Whatever. Over here, you can see the scrap trailer all loaded up. Got the frame off the dually on there, got the cab on there. Got a bunch of other crap that I've been collecting around my yard. Oh my goodness. 2 plows, trailer axle. So he'll be coming to get this Monday because we didn't get it loaded up until, I don't know, like 4 o'clock tonight. The scrapyard's closed for the weekend, so. All right, guys, so that's what we did today. Tomorrow, me and the boy will be outside fooling around, do a little bit of raking, rake all that out, make it all smooth and stuff. Clean up around the yard some more. I gotta organize all that crap out back and get rid of some more of it. But I figured I'd show what today was all about. I didn't get a lot of footage of us going. I mean, me and the kid get on the tractor at 8 o'clock this morning and, you know, stopped for snack, stopped for snack, stopped for lunch, and then stopped for afternoon snack. Other than that, the kid was literally in the tractor with me all day, loving life. I thought for sure we were going to be in and out just to keep him entertained because I didn't have a babysitter for today, but he loved it and he was great. He was actually upset when we finally stopped tonight. So, yeah, this is it. I'll probably get some more footage tomorrow. of us smoothing it out, and me and the boy will probably be playing around more than we were working today. We worked way too hard today, but it's like, I don't know, 7 or 7:30 now. So yeah, we're stoked though. The wife is happy. Got our yard cleaned up some, and ready to start working on that thing. I feel like terrible. It looks so bad. It really isn't. I just gotta get it cleaned up. The pine needles make it look so much worse. But all right, guys, that's it. I'm gonna go and have some dinner. The wife's cooking tonight, so